7-4, take off.
Tiger 7-4, clear takeoff.
Want to fly a Lightning? Want to occupy the single seat in the single-seater, all-weather, night and day, high-flying, supersonic, supernormal Lightning?
Target now 95 miles, heading 250. What is your flight level?
Tiger 7-4, climbing through flight level 300.
Tiger 7-4, your target is flight level 450, speed Mach 1.2.
Want to climb 2 Everests in 3 minutes?
Pigeons 250.
Want to be the intelligence behind the radar that feeds the brain, that guides the missile? Want to fly a Lightning? Want to fly the world's best fighter? Want to see the night close around you and not care? Want to land a Lightning? Want to fly a Lightning and take your own thunder with you?